Quick budget check. Kung ang target mong monthly ay nasa 13 to 15,000, possible na to para sa'yo. May available tayong bank for close property, inner lot, no bidding, basta walang kasabay, at as is where is. Meaning kapag ready ka at walang kaagaw, sa'yo na agad. Kensington, Phase 16, General Trias, Cavite, lot area 50 square meter, floor area 61 square meter. Complete setup na 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 1 car garage. Selling price 2,205,000. Now let's compute 20% down payment 441,000, 80% bank financing 1,764,000. If bank financing at estimated 7 to 8% interest for 20 years, monthly amortization is around 13,000 to 15,000. Sample computation only. Required income, usually banks require at least 40,000 to 45,000 combined monthly income for approval. Take note, bank fees and transfer of title are not yet included. Mode of payment, PDC, MC, cash or bank financing. Reminder, bank foreclose plus no bidding equals first come first serve. Kapag may kasabay ka, bidding na mangyayari. Free house tour assistance available. Message us now. This is Chin Puig. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!